Hello everyone. Sir, I think we are live. Yes, we are live. Hello everyone. Hello guys. Yes, Sai Charan. Let's go. Good evening everyone. Hello everyone. Hello. Hello Tejas. Yes, we are sharing the link in the particular group. Hello Krishna. Good evening Hers. Hello. Welcome to Developer Student Club of Parul University with associated with the Tinkering Hub, GitHub Student Partner, Microsoft Student Partner, and the UI Path. Session will start in few minutes. Let's everyone join first. Share these links to your school groups, college groups, and your hostel groups, so everyone get the knowledge of the what is the Developer Student Club of Parallel University will going to conduct in few months.
हाँ फेम ओपी मिलेंगे इस बार इवेंट्स तो आने yes Bhajan Kumar it would be definitely very interesting. Hi prank included. Good evening Alias. Good evening Prashant.
Yes, now we can start our session for orientation program. So begin with hello everyone. I am Nand Patel, the Google TSC lead for PU for the year of 2021 to 2022. A little about myself. I'm a third year student of IT department and research intern at Supercomputer Lab at Parul University. I specialization is in AR and web development. along with the cloud native applications and on scales developed implementations. So now just tell your answers that what is community? What do you mean by the community? Can anyone tell in the chats? Good evening, good evening. Can anyone tell what is the community? What do you mean by the community? Yes. Okay, no problem. Yeah, group of people. Yes, right. Group of people, networking, groups of like minded peoples, type of organizations. Great, great animes, great Hemant. Yes. So the community is a network of multiple like-minded peoples of focused to develop the professional and create an impact to the society. So GDSC PU is a community that focuses on the one technical and a professional growth and shares a network with more than 1500 plus communities over the world. So the clubs never follow the boss employment structures. Rather than a team of students runs the clubs. So most of the lead focus on getting the job done, but the way the GDSC PU works is a different. The team encourage each other to the leads, exclusive Google's events, and the developed by their skill sets. So now uh, I will tell you that what is uh, exactly is a Google Developer Club is for Parul University. So the Google Developer Club is an initiative by the Google developer to promote the community groups in universities and colleges during the everyone's and the learn that grows together. So there are currently only 386 leads across the country running GDSC platform in their own universities, maintaining more than half a million students. So the Google Developer Student Clubs are university-based community groups. So the student interested in Google Developer technologies, students from all undergraduates and graduate programs will getting a chance and interested as a growing as a developer are the most welcome for this platform. By joining GDC, students grow their knowledge in peers-to-peers learning environments and build solutions for the local environment and build solutions for the businesses and their communities, helping students write the gap between the theory and the practical. So you know that the community group for the student are every interested persons. So students from undergraduates and graduates they can also participate in this group. So now I will show one video.
Google Developer Student Clubs train hundreds of thousands of university student developers globally while having fun getting to know other students at their school. Google selects students with strong leadership skills from across the globe once a year to start a club on their campus. These leads believe knowledge is power and that technology can do extraordinary things for the world. They take on the responsibility to help students learn and empower each other to solve real problems around them. Students can participate in the annual Solution Challenge by Google developers to solve for one of the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals. Join us in building a global community for students in technology.
So you can also be a part of our community. So here we have our faculty advisor, Dr. Harshal Shah, the manager at the Tinkering Hub. He will tell you the few things.
Good evening, everyone. Am I audible? None? Can you
Yes, sir,
confirm?
perfectly. Yes, confirm, sir.
Fine. Very good. So, I warmly welcome each and every enthusiast students who are interested to develop yourself in a technical area, right? And this is not a kind of an a session where we go very monotonous and like in classroom teaching and such an environment, because these clubs are always to develop among the peers. So you can talk friendly, but you can grow, you can learn with fun, you can do, but here my role is only as an advisor, so don't bother about that. It would be so much authoritative in the nature, so don't worry about that. Let me brief about myself. I have around 18 years of experience in teaching. Um, I had completed my PhD as a doctor is attached with the name. But though I'm a very technological intensive person in my career, when I had work in a BE project, you would be surprised to know that I have worked and developed a firewall as a my BE project. So, guys, when you are connecting with these people and develop yourself, your ideas will go higher and higher. You know what the world is happening, what the world is doing, right? And once you know, then and then you can grow better, right? And though in this club we do past, future, and present related all technologies. We also publish the histories of the technological inventions also in this forum. Then we are also collaborating with the various technology. No, one technology will not serve you the purpose for all. So we give you the bouquet of technology, flavors of the technology. And today, as an its name as a Google Developer Student Club, but practically it's a developer student club. So all developers and all tech geeks, all those who are interested in technology, they are welcome here. So now I'll go to the next agenda. While in my career, while I have completed master, bachelor, future, right? So I was as a head of department also for the 10 years in this organization. I had did a lot of things regarding to the regular rational curriculums and all this as a board of studies chair and all these members. So in this fraternity I have contributed, but now I want to contribute at the lowest segment. They are the students, and so want to make it to the beneficiary. I have initiated a lot these exercises. So let's for me brief about the next exercise, next very important and career building momentum which you can get it, that is called as GitHub India externships. So in this GitHub India externship, what we can do it, we are shaping the career of the students, developers here through our mentoring, and this is very practical field where I can show you there are a lot of companies like Cred, PayMary, and these kind of startups do come into the this forum, and through this GitHub externship program, you get a stipend which is highest in the India, that is 25,000 per month, and you must go apply and try this. Those who are in a pre-final year, final year, they must have to attempt it, and others, I will encourage them to see and observe. So when you be reach into the pre-final year and final year, you get ready on this. So I must urge you should keep on being connected with us, right? And keep following our social media handles also. It will be posted into the chat box by both the GDSC group and Tinkering Hubs would be posted to you, right, to the our chat box of the YouTube. So you will come to know what are the handles. Please follow, subscribe that, and we will keep on doing these activities without any cost will be get involved to you. So also I'll urge to go ahead with the all Discord server channel also, where we can chat by directionally also. One, this is a GitHub, which is we are having a campus school program. So where a lot of GitHub resources are available with us. So we are also open into this where we will contribute, and this is most important area nowadays because you cannot develop everything. So many things are developed, so you need to go ahead from this. So you can use those resources, right? Those who are not been able to apply and it was not opening and such a comments I have seen into the chat box, don't worry about that. Be vigilant during on a social media while we do post, because these programs are for very limited hours. The registrations are also for limited hours, so you can do it if you are in pre-final year, right, Vivek? Now let us move to the next part of this brief sessions of this club. So this is about the GitHub programs, and there are a lot of swags are also with us, so we can distribute that. Man is here, our campus student expert, so that he will be taking a lead into the GitHub area, right? And I'm as an again there also as a faculty advisor for this campus school program. And listen, my friends. As in Parul University, we become a partner, so these opportunities available. It is also not available to the each and every university and institutes. So remember, when you go for login into this, and if you are not a student affiliated who are the partner into this, they will not be able to take a part into that. So that be fortunate that you are part of us. So you are. Let's move the next slide.
Thank you very much, sir, for your kind words. I'm really honored for you having and helping us around the events, giving us the authorities for organizing the events and other things in the campus. Moving
So
on, I would like to introduce the team which will be acting as a helping hands for running all the operations of the club. All members of the core teams are some of the best talents from the across the university who wants to help and mentor other students in their respective domains. So we have two technical leads with this year, Man and the Tejas Bhutani. Both are very passionate guy who loves to help the around peoples no matter what the problems are, and they both are will be the technical lead for this years. So Jovian is a pre-final year student of IT who takes great interest in the content creations and the film makings. So every posters and arts who you see on your our social medias have been designed by the Kevin, and he is the design lead. Suraj is currently pursuing bachelor's in IT, and he will be amazing management skills. So Shrey is our outreach partner. He brings collaborations activities in our community. Hers pursuing BTech in engineering and has been a web dev enthusiastic since a long a time. Devang is a UI UX lead with tremendous experience in this field. Aman is a Flutter lead who plays great role in the Flutter community. And oh, Dinesh has a decentralized Android and Kotlin enthusiastics. So once is the photographer of our community, and he is a art to click the moments. So another is a team members like Ruchi, Kavya, Nishika, Kushi, Krishna, Dev, Raghav are the part of the technical teams with their skills they have. Abhi is in design team, Ayush is in outreach team, Hitik, Anuraj, Bhargav are the part of the management team. So we have three associative communities with the partner. One is a GitHub campus coordinator who spread awareness about the open source community. Krishna is our Microsoft student ambassador. She are going to take Microsoft product sessions and the seminars regarding with the Microsoft. Sejan is the developer student campaign of the UI path. He creates a proper awareness and a great base and a platform for everyone who wants to explore robotic process automation (RPA). So I will share you details with our social media platform. So begin with the what the benefits of the club are going to. First, the connect. What's the connect means? GDSC platforms allows you to meet new people interested in the same thing as you are and help you like grow your network as an individual. So you meet new students interested in develop technologies. साथ ही साथ हम काम भी करेंगे और आप नए स्टूडेंट्स से मिलेंगे तो उससे आपको थोड़ा स्किल्स और मोटिवेट मिलेगा। ऐसा नहीं होगा कि लाइक वो कर रहा है तो ये मैं क्यों नहीं कर रहा हूँ। सो एवरीवन वांट टू लर्न समथिंग लाइक learn about a range and the technical topics. So we are focusing in believe and in learn. We will be hosting sessions and workshops almost every 1 or 2 weeks to keep the engagement high for the students and invite some of the best industry domains experts and GDC of the those sessions which be conducted by the like industry based particular manner. So we will believe in the grow that of course when you learn you grow, so as an individual and achieve new heights in specific domains which will be helping you land jobs and internships as you like. So this is the community will work. We host an exclusive events by the Google. You learn new things, then you apply new things to build great solutions. Okay, then further you advance your skills, careers, and the network. I will just over to the sir, which will be more getting about the associated team.
all right. So this is associated team means we want to work in collaboration. So we don't want to say that we are only Googleite, so we will forget the Microsoft. And world is very open. So here we would also like to get the people who can lead the other areas also. As as there is a Postman API is also there, we are going to have a good collaborations with a Postman classroom program and Postman student expert also. So that also we would have for that. Even though there are a lot of other chains are like a Gulf script and all. So where we are also very open. So guys, I want to appeal you here that if you have a talent, we are ready to mentor you and we want to also make you at the same level, which can build a career of yours also. Today that you know that there was a, earlier our Microsoft student lead was a Yash Chauhan, and now he had good exposure, and he is now got very good placement and the arena tech. So that is a very good example of these journeys. While you participate in this collaborations activities and club activities, with that good networks are getting developed, and when you go higher and higher in the community, you get built up a lot of resources, you get a lot of opportunities also, and these opportunities would be available with through this community channel. And you get right guidance because people are no having any kind of an self interest, people are having no kind of an kind of, you can say that, any expectations to you though. So that's you can get maximum benefit from this. So do attach with that. Sejan is actually taking where people who are not interested to code, but still you can build up a solutions like, and so that is very good area also which we must explore. Then we are also, you once you get connected with us, you are part of us. So once you keep on following, you just keep on connecting, keep on participating, all this, you are be part of that. And even though we would make this program ahead to lead at your institution, we are at the university level, so we would have at the central level, and still we would provide you at your institution, at your class, at your institute, you can keep and carry on all these things. So as Microsoft resources will be also through Krishna will be available to us, and that also will be given to everyone, right? Those who participate in event, those who participate, and that here I would like to tell you that you need to earn some resources. Everything will be not available as freebies, right? Goodies maybe sometime like stickers and small goodies, but something which you need to earn. And what you can earn, what you can, even you can get earn of a lot of $100 examinations, certificate examination at free of cost, and a lot of goodies also. So do participation in even a solution challenging challenges. So now I will again hand over to Nand and Man. So carry on further.
Thank you so much, sir, for your kind information that we have numerous amounts of opportunity for the students of Parul University. So moving forward to benefits of the joining of the community. So you have like we host an exclusive events by the Google. You learn the new things, then you apply new things to the build the great solutions for the local problems. Then further you advance your skills, careers, and the networks. So the final step, you give back to your community by helping the other learn as they did for you. So benefits are the access to developer resources, and the opportunity is for all always free, and the chance to grow the personal and professional networks, building a real life solutions to local problems and in community. So another awesome swags on the completing milestone, like take your resume to the next level and building connections with the students and with the industrials experts. And what's the motive of the GDSC student club is like growing knowledge on developer technologies and more through peer-to-peer workshops, events, gathering relevant industry experience are also by solving the problems for local organizations with the technology based solutions. So, showcasing prototypes and solutions to their local community and industry leaders. So, I'm going to Man. Can you just explore what we are going to be done in the few months and in this academic year of 2021 to 2022? Over to you, Man.
Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot for Nan for lovely introduction. And I would like to introduction myself very shortly, as I am introduced twice already. So I am technical lead for current year in Google Developer Student Club, and I am also serving as campus student ambassador in GitHub. And following on to our slide, we see some name of our domains, where some of which you will be already familiar with. So this is not we are not setting any limits by highlighting this 10 or 12 domains. We gonna work on everything, as Harshal sir said, past, present, and future technologies. Everything we will focus on. These are just the major key technologies that we would look after this year. So the first one is artificial intelligence and machine learning, web development. And then AR/VR, which is my major. I am very enthusiastic in working in AR/VR, as well as I am also a Node.js backend developer. Then app development, GitHub, UI UX, IoT, cybersecurity, cloud, robotics, blockchain, and DevOps. So there are also some very interesting and unknown technologies which are known, which are not very familiar with the syllabus. Like we talk about blockchain and DevOps. These topics are not in our current curriculum yet. So it will be very interesting studying them. So going forward to our timeline for the year, the September is also passed, and we had a very beautiful campaign. And moving forward to October and December, we are preparing for Android campaign, which is an Android Studio Jams, which you already would be notified in the mail, as well as WhatsApp channels. You can join the WhatsApp channels through the links, and you will get acknowledged about the Android Studio Jams. And then during the January, we are going to focus on Flutter campaign. During February, we will focus on AR/VR campaign, and during April, we will focus on AI/ML campaign. And during the May, we will have some grand hackathons. And these are just the outlines, the main domains we would be focusing on the months, as well as we will also work on. We will also have some webinars and seminars associated going through all of these. So this is 30 days of Google Cloud program. As I said, it went first in September, and it was a very successful event, and numerous students joined it this year. Unlike previous year, we had a limit of just 250 students. Just 250 students got part of it, and they also got some swags, I think. And moving forward to our next event, oh yeah, they got these swags. They got this beautiful T-shirt, bottle, backpack, and swags, home delivered. Super excellent. So as I said, in December and January, we will be focusing on Android. So this is a very beautiful event, Android Studio Jams, which is very beneficial, as you would get some very good benefits because you would get knowledge about Android. You will get a basic level of knowledge of what the exam that Google gives, the certification that Google gives, associated Android developer certificate. You will get a basic idea of it, and then you can apply for the certifications. So these are some perks and opportunity to become an Android developer. The first of all, you will get an Android basics idea on, you know about Kotlin, right? The alternative to the Java that Google made. The second advantage is you will earn some badges on your developer profile, which you would make on Google. Then the third advantage is you would get a basic idea, as I told you, and prepare yourself for associated developer, Android developer. And the fourth and a very good, and I would say very good opportunity for Parul University students, that they will get 80% reimbursement for the total fee of the certification. So at the first time you have to pay the whole fee, but you will get 80%. You say like cashback. Yeah, you will get it later. The fifth thing is you will get a certification at the completion and get a chance to set aside your resume from others. So as I said, we will not be only focusing on, you can thoroughly go through the timeline. The timeline is just a rough and what. Apart from that, we would have some beautiful workshops, expert talks, seminars, and webinars, and many things during starting from this week itself. So GDSC aims to bridge the gap between the theoretical and practical knowledge for student developers. As said by Nand earlier, we will be giving you an extra advantage and extra industrial knowledge what would be going into it. That will be very beneficial for the career progress. So that's all from my side now. The things that many commenters were waiting for. We have a quiz, and then the winners would be uh, given some certificates and So meanwhile, you can open kahoot.in to enter into the quiz.
So open your phones or laptops and cow.in. So here is a ping and link will be given in the chat box. Open kahoot.in. Link will be on your display and in chat box too. So it's very excited games like quizzes are there. So you will want the quizzes and grab your swags and stickers, all that by tagging us on Instagram. Open it kahoot.in. So here
I
is
think you should
put
wait. Many participants are joining.
put your names as reals. We will be starting in very few minutes. Join everyone. Penis is in your screen 3872206. Two more peoples. So I will be starting the quiz. Shall I start? Oh, someone wrote my name, Nan Patel. If you want, I will not give you the swags.
So none will be taking this like right?
Now I'm starting the quiz. So your first questions is the DSA means oh. It's a
It's
short
two
of
people, you
time.
have to click the right answer. Only three people click the answer. You have just 3 seconds or 5 seconds to answer the question. You have to click very quickly. Moving on to the next question.
Oh, Indrajit is in top. Aditya, remember the answer you gave will get you more points. So read carefully and answer the questions. So who is the founder of the Google? You will see the amazing options over here.
I thought it would be Sachin Tendulkar.
So now it's Nirbhay is leading the truck.
Mastali
Oh,
Gokul
Gokul.
Society. Yeah.
Wow, Salin and Jai Binhar is the top scorer right now.
I think Basanti.
Jaimin is in leading scoring. Saling is also the Kevin, Chunk, and Nirbhay is leading the board.
Also, the score also depends on how fast you click the answer.
Jaimin is in the top. So in which month does the Dev Fest 2021 is mostly take place? So you have to be active on. There are so much events are going in these global platforms. Great, Jaimin, keep it up. October. Yeah, that's right. 18% people knows the what the community has been. So the leaderboards, Harsh is on top, Priksha, Ayush, Mohit, Jaimin. Three players are just hit answer streak by the tree. So the very famous in this world, everyone is gonna buy the balance. So it's very famous dialogue from the Netflix series is wow, great. Now we can see like Harsh, Jaimin, still Patelabi is in board, new board. Like the ninth question, we have the identify the logo. Oh, great. Now it's a Linux based the logo. Great, great. Lars is going with the leaderboard. Guess the other logo. It's used in AIML platform. I think so. Oh, TensorFlow. It's right. Gigs for Gigs logo is for. I think it's green logo. So her season top new members are still Chuck, Spriksha, Mohit. Taco Bell, things outside the bun. It's very famous for. So still hers is in leadboard, quick size in leadboard. स्वाद जिंदगी का कुछ तो सुना है. Now it's like hers is in leadboard. Your network is like interrupted, so that's why your question is not visible. Pyramid was the right answer. Horse is in still state, but rabbit is a new entry. Puni Janardhan is very good with the score. He up like 20 places. Virendra is the highest climber right now. Another the cast logo is for it's very famous logo, and you will see what's the logo have been. Ubuntu, yes. So it breaks up. Whoa. Or speaks up with the can. The last question we have quiz up in this Android with the what's the APK stand for? Great, great. So who is the third one? Hirsch is the third guy. The second with the point of 5787 is Prixa, and the first one is Rabbit. Actually, what's the name is I don't know the Rabbit. And the runner-up is the Chunk. Fourth and the fifth one is uh, make sure screenshot. Yes. So just take your screenshot of the game. The winners will get the stickers and the swags for that. Just do one thing. Take your screenshot and tag us on our social media platform and message us in our message section that you have won. We will reach you as soon as possible. Tag us on GDSC underscore PU on the Instagram, or you can mail us on dsc at the rate paruluniversity.ac.in. So you can just share your score and the screenshot of the particular portion. So we will be there for your swags. So thank you everyone. See you soon with the banks of the events and the workshops. Just here and join our community. You have any
So
doubts or question, you can just tell us, ask to sir
stay
or
connected,
me.
and just before leaving this, I'm going to announce that we are going to start very good training programs on IoT as well as on AR/VR through the industry experts, and where if you are very good enthusiastics, we are going to provide you the resources also where you can work on the resources. So those who are really interested, come and meet us. We are these associations are for IoT and HPC, that is with the Intel, and for Euphoria engine, ThingWorks, Unity, and all these trainings would be through the PTC. So that's our good partners, very good reputed, those who are technological giants. So please don't worry about these small games. We would do more this kind of sessions for you and more giveaways. So stay connected, and now again hand over to the guys.
Like if you have any questions, you can just ask in chat box. Yes, some peoples are like complain like their didn't questions are what not visible to many students, but many of them are answering correct. And like I Dharmik says, like I completed with no delay. You have may internet connection issue with the screen or with the mobile. Palak Agrawal says where we can find you. You can follow us on our social media, or if you want to physical meet, Tinkering Hub at BBA building. The room number, the second floor, so room number is 20. Don't be getting upset, guys. For the events, we have to like organize some events and the workshops, the seminars. While their seminars are going offline, many of the seminars are going offline. So come over there and grab yours opportunity like stickers, swags. You will get over there. Don't get disappointed.
Last
Yes, I
not the
see
least,
Jaimin Kapadia is asking about cybersecurity. What about cybersecurity? Of course, as I said, we would be focusing on all the domains, and cybersecurity is also under our umbrella. So you can also, the other guys can also message us on our handles that their request to what domain they would like to see the next session to. So we can know that what expert tab we can call and have a very good session with you guys.
see, very reputed speakers will be available to you, so don't worry about that. You will get very reputed speakers from the Google define experts also, even a Microsoft define experts, and those who are very have practiced a lot of things in industries. So just things are waiting for your engagements only, right? And one of the engagement I would like to announce that Nand, please announce that our next. Online on what is happening on a next Thursday. Please announce them.
So I'm very excited to announce this is the first announcement. We will be having a session on introduction to MR. So MR stands for mixed reality, and mixed reality is a combination of augmented reality as well as virtual reality. So I would like that everyone come to that webinar and get knowledge of that new thing that's going on to the market, and maybe build a future onto that, because it's a very trendy thing. And you would definitely get a very good scope for your career. Thank you.
Apart from that, we are brings on next week we are organizing session on the Android study jam. So just connected on our social media, we will be notifying you what's the uh, curriculum are there for the Android study jam, and what kind of like technologies we are using with the Android, Kotlin, Java. So we will be organizing a session for you, workshops like 2 hours, 1 hour workshops are going on. So stay tuned on our social media. Follow us on Instagram, Discord server. Follow the GDSC PU and the Tinkering Hub, and check your mail of Parul University. Like Tinkering Hub mails you the regarding our GDSC, what's the events are going on, and follow the trend which we are going. So again, the winners will are put in our stories. So just message us on Instagram with your name, screenshot of the score. We will share the swags and the stickers as soon as possible. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, sir, for helping us over here. Bye, everyone.
Have a nice day. See you
Yes, bye.
everyone. See you everyone at the sessions. Goodbye. Enjoy the day.
Jay, WhatsApp is full, but you can follow us on our Discord server. So the information is already the same. So don't be hesitate. Due to overwhelming response, we full our two WhatsApp groups, but you can follow on the Discord server.